Hey to my blessed and bougie crew. How you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well with you and your soul. I want to welcome you to the new and improved, blessed and highly favored woman of God, wife, mama, sister, auntie, and friend, Queen Mama Bear Bethany. Thank you for coming back and rocking with me again. If you need a good laugh, some mojo, to know that you are not alone in this, I am here for you. Click that subscribe and smash that like and stay a while. To my OGs, I love you, I pray for you, and I thank the Lord for you. Now you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love. I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out.
Friends, a small haul. Alright, so we went to Aldi's, Dollar Tree, and Giant Eagle. From Aldi's, I got eggs, sweet cream butter, Cool Whip, 2 things of chicken fried rice, and 2 of the Mandarin orange chicken for Ania's birthday dinner. And I picked up 2 of these kettle chip. It only has 4 flavors. From the Dollar Tree, I got some liquid soap refill for 1 bathroom, plastic bowls, some coffee filters, because the refill, the universal one is nice, but it's starting to become a pain having to wash it every 5 seconds. I got 2 of these Himalayan salts so I could have new soap dispensers, forks, spoons. This is creamy milk and honey. Then I got sandwich bags, storage. This one is the quart. These are the snack bags. What is that? Aluminum foil. The gallon bag. I picked up a soup container for hubby's lunch, as well as this smaller square container with the ice pack on the inside. And from the Dollar Tree Plus side, I got the value thing of paper plate and this thing of toilet paper. Oh, this planner also came from Aldi's. It's an undated 12-month calendar, so I'm going to use that. Husband picked up 2 things of paper towels from the Dollar Tree and a loofah. And for me, I got from Johnny Go, I picked up 6 donuts. It's 2 apple fritters and 4 glaze, and a box of the soft silk flour because I'm going to make Nia a pound cake for her birthday. And that is all for the haul. Now it's time to put it all away.
To take off your mask, yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night, all night. Imagine us there, imagine us there, imagine us there, all night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night, all night.
I told her she could lick the bowl and, have everything else, because isn't that the best part of the cake? But anyway, she had to have a whole conversation with her friends while she was licking the bowl.
Imagine us there, imagine us there, imagine us there, all night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, no. Imagine us there.
So, most of y'all already know that Nia's birthday has come and gone, but this was what she wanted for her birthday dinner. So I made her the orange chicken with the chicken fried rice, and she had pound cake, for cake on her birthday.
You don't have to wait for it tonight.
my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh, just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury.